What's up? Good morning, y'all. Back again with another video. And today what we got going on is I'm doing 2 oil changes on the SIs, mine's and Gladys's. So might as well get them, knock them down already. Damn, I ain't gonna lie, this shit's 8,000 miles past due type. You feel me? Hey, but we be on some lazy shit. But 89 degrees and it's barely 11 o'clock, man. That shit annoying. So I gotta go to fucking O'Reilly real quick because I was gonna buy some oil filters from fucking Amazon, but like the review said that the K&N filters were fake and they were $5. I was like, fuck it. But now I gotta go to O'Reilly, which benefits me in the long run because I had to fucking buy the oil change kit anyways. So I'm gonna go do a stop at O'Reilly real quick and get that out the way. Like I said before, not a how-to channel, just watch me doing these stuff. I don't know how to, I'm not good at teaching stuff, so hey man, same man, you feel me? Like, fuck it. This is where all the bots were at yesterday. They had a COVID-19 testing facility, bots, and yeah, so I'll pick it up later. Alright, so we're back with the oil change for Gladys. So, in your, ooh, look at her in your hair, you know what I'm saying?
I have like 2,000 something miles over.
8,000 miles actually, I showed you at the beginning. So we're gonna put royal purple on her car, and we're actually doing my car too, right after this. So we can do a double back to back. So she wants to like get her hands dirty, literally, and start doing the oil. So we're gonna start by placing the mat down, that one, so we can lay on it, and then put some gloves on, of course. But in case I got the, you know, fast orange, and we're gonna start by jacking up the car and putting it on jack stands. Like I said, lefty, it'll make it come down, and then you twist it always to the right wherever it stops, and then just pump it.
Gotcha.
You see? And then say, I said, you twist it left.
And then it makes it go down?
Yeah.
Ooh.
I like to do it slowly so it won't damage the car.
Yeah, for sure.
But
Let me find out you need a new one.
well, we have the red one.
Oh.
But my dad put it like somewhere else, pumping it. Keep going. Push.
Ooh.
Okay, keep pumping. It gets kind of hard.
Yeah, that's fine. I go to the gym. I have a hard labor job.
Dead ass.
Put that on camera.
Do it again. Head ass. More your shit. Head ass. Alright, cool. You see this right here? Where my finger's at?
Yes, it's plastic.
No, right here. This is metal.
Oh,
You feel it?
yeah.
Try to get this like where it's like right in the middle. Like right here.
Is it supposed to be like that? Like that's what that's for?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now lower it a little bit to the left. Sheesh. You good?
That's too much?
No, you good. Just do it slowly next time so you can avoid that.
I'm so sorry. I'm gonna mess up my own car.
Yeah, make sure. Hold up. Now we're on the good. Are you good? All the way to the left? You good? Now bring it back to the other side. Yeah. Oh, okay. Just pop the hood open for me. Okay. Now, the latch is somewhere right here. You find it and then push up or to the side, whatever it is. You find it. There you go. Now grab this stick right there. Grab from the top right there.
Damn, is this shit
From
so
the
hot?
foam, if anything. Right here, you see this?
Yeah.
So right there is where you put the oil in.
Gotcha.
That's the last part. But what I like to do is put the gloves on. Yeah, it's time to put the gloves on. Time to get down and then twist it. Lefty loosey, yes. There you go. I twisted it for you. Okay, just leave it like that. No need to take it off. Boom. Step number 1. So If you don't mind giving me your flashlight, pretty much right here, what we do is we're gonna take off this aluminum tray. Oh, inside the bag, babe. Just be careful with that right here.
Oh, okay.
Inside the bag, can you give me my clear glasses? So once again, Lefty Lucy.
I have to do it.
You want to do it?
Oh, you're already down there. Ooh. Ooh.
Oh, wait, we're gonna clean all that up.
Pobrecito, dude. So when there's a leak, all of that starts coming out like little by little, huh?
In a way, yeah. Now pass me the 17 millimeter right. Well, once again, Lefty Lucy. There's like a nut right here. You see it right here? Yeah, just.
Very tedious, huh?
Yeah, that's pretty simple.
That is me. That puddle is me.
That's part of you?
Yeah.
How you know?
It just fell.
Really?
A little drop just fell, I swear. That is me. That's crazy, huh?
It's water though.
Peculiar. Damn. Scared the shit out of me, dude.
Just go slowly. She's about to squirt out like you just hit that bitch right in the right spot.
You're stupid. Oof.
Missed it.
Oh, it's okay though.
Can you get one of those terry cloths?
Yeah. Sounds like pee.
Like a girl peeing out.
Gotta act like I did it all by myself. Yeah, dude, it just leaked right now. I mean, it just dropped right now.
Comfortable ass.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you showed me how to do that last time. Just lube it up and shit.
Pretty much all you gotta do is do it up.
Yeah.
Wipe off the residue. And back to it. So next time we go ahead, it'll be easier to take out. Not that it will like damage the car,
but still, it'll be harder for us to take it next time, right?
Yeah. So the car calls for 3.7 quarts, right? We got 5.5. So put this bitch in there, and then you get the royal purple. First time I ever used this oil, to be honest. Oh, it is purple.
Ooh. Like
Alright, cool. So I don't gotta do all that, so I just need one. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
the pros and cons of not having that.
Show them some of the goodies.
You're crazy.
Stage 1.
Still looks stock to me. No, just kidding. Sounds like a hater.
Mustang, Camaro, and Dodge owners be like, what good you?
I'll gap you.
Bro, my girl was good.
Only in the hood. You get pizza ready to go, huh? Boy, if you don't get the new gloves.
Huh? Oh, they aren't even there. I ain't even worked on the car. Hell yeah.
You wanted me to take that out? The nut?
No.
Okay.
The little cover at the top is what I'm trying to tell you.
Oh, okay.
Don't you want to go buy one, dude?
At O'Reilly's?
AutoZone right here.
O'Reilly's.
If you don't mind, just keep an eye on my car.
Yeah, you gonna go in my car?
Yeah.
Yeah, go for it.
To be safe, you know.
Roll up my blunt while you're at it. Nah, just kidding. Ooh. Oh, that's crazy, huh? Oh. I could see it better on your car. I couldn't see anything in mine.
Why the fuck you tailgating me, fucking weirdo? Dude, I swear I be hating motherfuckers that be tailgating and shit. Look at that weird ass motherfucker. It's a red light. Like, what are you tailgating me for? Gap your motherfucking ass. Won't even be able to keep up. Like I said in my last video, if you drive a car like that, a cop car, you a punk. You a punk. Anyways, maybe that'll be better too. That's just how it goes. Look at me, check me out. Me and Nipsey Hussle, check me out. We in trouble, check me out. I ain't gonna lie, I have not driven my car on comfort mode or regular mode in a long time. Cause usually on my Honda I have it where like it automatically starts up on fucking sport mode. I miss how comfortable this shit was. It ain't as responsive as the other one, but hey, fuck it. Are ever speeding, at least be courteous and put you on turn signals, you feel me? At least know people which lanes you're gonna be switching from. Like, you feel me? No one's to speed. Like right now there's literally nobody on the road. You feel me? So be courteous, be mindful. There you go, mindful. Oh, time out, head ass. Mario shit. Head ass. Fuck it, we ran that light. Gang, 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 gang. Hey, shout out to that Xgen. I almost had a coupe. Low-key should have got it, but hey. Shit happened freezing. So yeah, I'm putting on a 7-Eleven, buy me energy drink, a Celsius, and I'll pick this up another day or later.